If you want to create videos like this one you're seeing right now, it's actually very easy. You just need to watch this tutorial. But before that, let's take a look at one of these videos.
You can ask the flowers. I sit for hours, telling all the bluebirds.
As you can see, this one is good. What we need to create this type of video is literally nothing. We just need old meme videos that went viral in the past and that everyone still yarfa until today, like these ones. After you collect them, you'll notice that the videos are in low quality. So the main idea of this content is to make the person in the video look like it's in 4K quality. So the next step is to take screenshots from the videos that we will use. After that, we open Google Gemini. Here, we upload the first screenshot as you can see. Then we copy and paste this prompt, like this one, and send it. After that, we wait a little until it regenerates the image for us in high quality. Then we download it. Do the same process for all the screenshots. You will repeat the same process for all the screenshots you have. For me, I'll only use 4 images. After that, we download them and go directly to CapCut. We open a new project, as you can see. Then we add all the videos along with the 4K images that we generated. Also, add the song. You will find it in the Telegram group, link in the description. After adding everything, first add the song. Then place the first video on top of it. When you hear the beats in the song, cut the video as you can see. Then add the 4K image that we generated. Repeat the same process with all the images and videos. Make sure that the aspect ratio is the same as YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok. After doing all of this, now it's time to add a little zoom to the images one by one. Then we can export our video and post it. Guys, love you all. See you in another video.
You can ask the flowers. I sit for hours, telling all the bluebirds, the bill and coo birds.